So we had a tie down, tied to the truck, up over the boom of the cat and onto that cylinder. And we knocked the pin out, turn up here, this one knocked out this way, so that we can get that down onto there and then rested it on some blocks of firewood. That's the grapple there tucked in between the tracks. So Cat 320L. And just go for a walk around the back. AEG rattle gun on the job today. 14mm Coke and Allen key socket on just a small extended bar. I got those off, didn't need a cheater bar or a pipe, which is what I would have used if I couldn't get them off easily. They weren't super easy, but they weren't super hard either. So yeah, and as you can see from those cracks in the seals, and it's been leaking, it's seeping, and the hotter it got during the day, the more it leaked. So it's time for a birthday. And we'll do this one and then do the next one.